I am going into Walmart. We're going to check out the fall and going into winter fashion. I hear there's a lot of sweaters. There's definitely a lot of boots. They got some new fall flats too I wanted to check out. So let's see what it hit for, y'all. I sound crazy. Alright, y'all, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss nothing. Alright, y'all, let's go. Y'all, look at the men's got ugly Christmas sweaters. Picture drinking my pouch. Wait, what? A pouch? No. I wouldn't feel safe with putting my drink in this pouch. I feel like it would knock everything over and make a mess. Y'all, these sweaters are $22.98. Holiday time. Lord. Put your drink in my pouch. It really is a little pouch for you to put. It's felt or something like that, but yeah, nah. Hold on, let's see. What are all of them are kind of like the same. What's this one? A cow. I bet y'all can find a way to make those look really, really cute. You see this one? Look at this shirt. I don't never check out the men's side like that. Let me see this one. This is the Grinch. And then here is some more. Oh, okay. So was that Nightmare Before Christmas or whatever? Nightmares Before Christmas. And then this one is that Lilo and Stitch or whatever? And then Snoopy. Cute, cute, cute. So they got the men hooked up for the Christmas situations. What we looking like on our side? I do like their no boundaries. These little fleece sweaters too. These are cute. Look, it's giving animal print, but not really. They're kind of like camouflage, but this is giving camouflage. Somewhat, you know, the outdoor one. And then here's another one over here that I really like. And then look at their cargo pants. It might be something I want to try on because do they drawstring at the bottom? They do not. Alright, maybe we'll go back over to my side and see what we got. Okay, just when I thought they was leaving us out, they was not. Don't stop believing in Santa. That's cool and everything, but this is cute. I don't know why they call them ugly, y'all. I be liking these sweaters. This is cute. Look at the little peppermint candy. And then our sweaters are a little bit cheaper. They're $18.98. Like, that's dope. I like this. And then the tinsel, whatever, foil. That is so adorable. And then they got them with a black. Oh, look at the candy right here. That is so cute. Just snapped. What? Okay. That is super, super cute. All right, what's the red one looking like? Here for the cheer. Y'all, these sweaters are not ugly. They are super cute. I like them. What does this pink one look like? Ooh, I'm over here messing up. It says nice is overrated. Okay. Nice is overrated on that one. I want to see what this looks like. Okay, still not my favorite. But they got real little ornaments hanging from it. Howdy Christmas. I like it though. That is cute. That is so cute. And this is excessive holiday cheer. Yeah, they got a lot of these. Now, It's Christmas time. Yeah, they're so cute. Oh, look at this one makes noise. It's jingle bell noise. Jingle bell noise. Yes. I love that. Super, super cute. Oh, wow. Okay, so they do got Christmas sweaters over here for us, too. And they go all the way from sizes extra, extra small to extra, extra large. So they hooking us up. I like that. I love it. All right, y'all, let's see what else. What else y'all got? Yeah. These are cute, too. I like the shirt. The pants is too tight. These are time and true. But the shirt is super cute. Just because of the bow. That's crazy, right? Now here's the thing about the shirt. It's real soft, and again, super, super stretchy. I'm holding this just because you know that's gonna happen if I do that. Oh, I don't like how that didn't go right back though. I will wear these with some black ankle boots, tall heel, high heel ankle boots. I think that would be dope with this. I could wear with any color bottoms. I think this color would be cute with it, like this color instead of this burgundy one. But yeah, this is definitely giving airline, but I still love it. I will wear this every place that I had mentioned before. I would definitely wear this in those places. Just not these pants. These pants is tight for a 20. That's crazy. Oh y'all, that door be loud. But let me try it on with these shoes and see if these shoes would have looked good. Because if these shoes would have looked good, I definitely would have gotten, ooh, they feel great. They feel amazing. But no, they don't, they look a mess. But if I had on brown pants, I think it would be better. If it was brown pants the same color as the clogs or mules or whatever these are, I think that would be dope. Super cute outfit, right? I love it. Yes, size 20 though in the pants. So I wouldn't want to go up to a 22 in these though, because I think 22 is going to be way too big. Plus they didn't have it, but I see how low it is in the back, so it's showing my whole underwear. But still super cute. Love this top. I love, love, love this top. I bet it would look even better with just some regular blue jeans, or no barrel jeans. I wouldn't wear barrel jeans with this, but just some regular blue flare out jeans that flared out, or this width at the bottom is fine too. That's super cute, right? So it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas with this cardigan, right? But I hate when it does that for no reason, because look, we got plenty of stretch. So like, stop doing that. So you would have to put like some double-sided tape. You don't even have to unbutton this. I didn't have to put it on. So maybe you can just tack it right there with needle and thread underneath so that you don't see the threads, and then you'll be fine. This is not really, I think it is okay. It's cute. It's just the shoes. I would definitely wear it with some tall thigh-high boots, or actually I would wear knee-high boots with the black jeans, but if I had on blue jeans, I would wear them up to thighs. I think that would be cute. Or some red boots would be dope with this. Right? It's jeans tight though. They're just jeggings. Look, I can't even get them all the way up. See how low the pocket is? That's terrible. Mama done put on some weight. But it's all good. But yeah, I don't like how the sweater keeps gapping up open and showing my little Savage X Fenty symbol. Somebody else asked me what kind of bras you wear. That's the kind of bra Savage X Fenty mainly. I used to wear Cacique from Lane Bryant, but no. I had bought all the nude colors from Cacique. This color, darker brown, and a lighter brown. They all broke on me on the straps, which was strange. So yeah, I switched on over to Savage X Fenty. I've been happy ever since, especially with the half bras or the strapless bras, especially with those. Amazing. So yeah, you should check those out. But yeah, this is okay. Not really. You know what would be cute with this though, as far as the bottom? A lace skirt that is like lace from here on down. Well, it's completely lace, but it has the lining that comes to about right here. That would be cute with this too, with some tall boots too, or some ankle boots even would be cute. Or even if that was like a bloom skirt that was lace, that would be cool. But this is alright. What you think, y'all? Let me know in the comments, would you rock this sweater? It's itchy though. It ain't itchy, it's just, I feel that little bit of an itch right there, kind of. I don't know. Probably not. It's cute though. Y'all, I can't zip these pants up, so I'm gonna have to put on my other jeans, or my other pants with them. So, one moment. Alright, so y'all know that these barrel pants do not match with this top. I could not fit the jeans, so this is where we at. This shirt is cute though. This is an adorable shirt. I cannot tell you how much the price is because I would have to scan it. And the price is whatever the price is when Walmart decides to change it. They can change it tonight, even if I scan it right now and tell you I've seen it done, okay? But yes, this shirt is adorable. These are a little bit sequinish, and then they have that diamond in there. Let me see how the diamond is put on. Okay, so the diamond is, I don't know how that's on there because it's not coming through on this side. Oh, it's sewn. So this is an grommet. It's actually sewn on it. And this is cute. They got this shirt in black too. It doesn't match with the pants, so I do apologize. I love these pants though, y'all. Cute barrel pants. I normally wear them with a tank top. I'll show you the shirt that I wear them with. I wear it with a shirt that I just bleached myself. Tank top, $3 from Rainbow. And I just put refocus because I didn't want to go to the gym, so I needed to refocus. So I gotta use words. I don't know why. But this is cute. I like this shirt. I'm not gonna model too much in it because this is not what you're supposed to wear with it. I would wear the jeans that I had on, and then I tried on these shoes with it. Super, super cute. I thought it was really, really cute. But if you would wear them with these pants, awesome. They don't sell these pants no more though. So comfortable. Y'all see how they barrel out? Kind of look like clown pants, but alright y'all, that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.